Well, the chickens are enjoying the greens that have come up after the rain out here. Hey, Gracie. Here's Dottie over here. She's so pretty. Hi, Gracie. There's Matilda over there. Hey, Matilda. Pretty girl. Looking for bugs. You're catching them, too. Hi, Matilda. Hello. Hey. And there's Thomas Jake. He's watching over the flock, keeping everybody safe. Yeah, he is. Hi, Thomas. I love being out here with them and just watching them. Pretty girls. Yeah. What'd you find, Gracie? There's Thomas again. Matilda's over there. I think they think they're out in the wilderness here. Hi, Gracie. There's Matilda. She's just kind of everywhere. She's so active and curious. She goes all over the yard. We had quite a bit of wind here today. It seems to be simmering down now. Hi, Thomas. Hello. He's so close to me. Hello. Yes, you have a very pretty tail. I see it. Yeah. There's Matilda. Getting all the bugs out of the yard. Yeah. Hi, Thomas. You're very pretty. Yeah. Little peeper. There she goes. Hi, Thomas. He's been coming real close to me lately. Hello. Yes, you're being friendly, aren't you? That's a good boy. Mm-hmm. Hi, Matilda. And there she goes. And there she goes, and here goes Thomas right behind her. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You gonna go find Matilda? You gonna go find her? She went that way. Yeah. She did. There she is. The other girls. There they are. They're all over here, Thomas. They're all over here. Yeah. There they go. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Time in the afternoon with the chickens and turkeys. Please like and subscribe. It'll really help us to keep going. Bye for now.